Okay, this is the home worm bin, I guess you could say it is. But you know, a lot of people, when they do the scraps, instead of throwing away all the food off the table, like vegetables and whatnot, you just can't put no poultry in here, no meat in here, no nothing with grease. Mainly just vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, or whatever. But not many tomatoes because it is acidic. Mainly just green stuff, and chop it up in break it up in small pieces and put it in here. And I'm gonna show you how it works. This is the bottom tray. In this tray, there's 250 worms, and we done had the feed in there, and they've already eaten most of it. Let me see there with all them worms? Okay. And then when they get done eating that, they're gonna want something else to eat, right? So what you do, you reach over and the tray comes with 3 trays, just like that right there. You take the next tray, you put it down just like that right there, where it's touching the other one on the bottom. Okay. Then refeed them, break up all that worm feed and stuff and put it in here, maybe little pieces of cardboard or whatever, and put it in there. And you can feel right there, you can feel it right here where I got my finger. Yep. Just kind of fill it up to where them notches are right there, because that's where the next container goes. Okay. Then when you get done eating all of that, you'll know it when it comes time. Then you reach up here and get another one. Do it the same way, just like that right there. And do this the same way, fill it up full up to right there. But in the meantime, if you want some more castings, you just reach down here and pull this out. There's probably worms coming out the bottom, if I'm right. See right there where they're going through right there? Mm-hmm. That's one's curving through. Anyways, that's worm castings down there and right here too, see. Well, if not, you just keep going.
Now those naturally fall through? They're not sifted down there or anything?
What, the worms?
The castings.
Oh, this is what falls through when you eat it, like it falls through the hole. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's what it all boils down to. But you just keep stacking them. When they eat all of that, then you put another tray in there and eat it. You got to keep it, some water in there on it. Keep it moist. In other words, not real flooding wet, and not real dry. You got to keep it moist. Then if you start getting liquid in there, you just reach over and turn that on like that, and you get the excess water out of it, and it's going to be real dark black. You can take that and just add water to it, kind of mix it up, make your own little worm tea or something other than just pour it on your plants or whatever, and you're good to go.